Today, a meeting was held at 10 a.m. in the Arboretum Hall, Matupong, in presence to the visit of Honorable Prime Minister of India at Rongkut Longri Tengpi under Hauraghat subdivision on 28 April, and Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will visit on 15, 16 and 17 April 2022 at Diffu. In the meeting, all state and council sector departmental health were present along with Dr. Turam Ronghang, MP, 3 MLAs, EM, MEC, Principal Secretary, DC, Karbi Anglong and all Secretary of KAAC. The meeting was chaired by CEM and talks about all arrangements to be taken, and Soccer Committee and Subcommittee was constituted. The entire department has been given duties and responsibilities and core committees which will be chaired by CEM with some secretaries of council and will supervise the subcommittee where all departments have been included. The chairperson and the committee member has talked all types of arrangement during the visit of PM India and CM Assam and informed that nearly 4 lakhs people will gather at Longri Tengpi on 28 of April 2022. It is also informed that the PM Modi will lay some major foundation in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district, whereas during the 3 days visit of CM Assam at Diffu, a public meeting will be held where he will distribute check to the surrender militant and appointment letter for TET teacher. As per official information, the Assam CM will stay in Kajurahampi guest house at Tarlangso, Diffu during his 3 days visit. News Desk report, Biswanath, Karbi Live.